it like I can't
Or
do
like
that.
I can't use the bathroom with the shower curtain
Closed.
I have to open it. Because I'm convinced there's something in the fucking shower.
I've had that before too. Actually, I get bothered by closed shower curtains
There's
sometimes.
something in the shower,
I
right?
do a trollish move with that where I'll punch the shower curtain in case something is behind it. I punch something unexpectedly. Like I'm hoping that there's
The worst part about the whole like opening shower curtain movement is that while you're doing it, you have zero plan for what you're gonna do if there's actually something there.
Why I punch it because
Scream and run the fuck away.
But see, this person's waiting for you. That's what my fear is. If I open it, there's someone waiting for me already. Where he's got the upper hand on me suddenly. Where if I punch it, this guy has no fucking idea what just happened. Because he's sitting here, he's like, I'm gonna kill this kid. Boom. He's like, what the fuck just happened? And I get punched, and I'm like, I felt something. I'm out, and I run.
Why'd that kid punch my knife?
Yeah. But I'm saying.
What would you do if you did that? What would you do if you punched a shower curtain and you
there
actually
was something
heard like
there?
or something like a noise
You're
from
gone.
someone?
You're gone, but you get the upper hand. Because, you don't get to scare me and stab me.
Suddenly he doesn't have...
You would flip out.
No, actually, you know what I ended up doing?
Suddenly Andrew doesn't have such a problem with the door being answered by Chucky.
Pretty much, yeah. Well, I'd probably end up doing like a fucking Gatling thing. I'd just start punching away at the fucking shower curtain wherever I hit something. I'd just be like, ga 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 ga, and I'd hope the guy just be like, ugh.
Oh god.
Because there's no way in fuck like
stun lock, bitch.
Like worst case scenario is like I punch him, I hear and I just turn on the shower real quick. That on like fucking cold, and I hear him just like like really cold, and I fucking just run because he has a delay of cold, and so I just run, and then I'm hoping that by the time I run, I can call the cops or do something. I mean, I don't know. I mean, worst case scenario, like I can literally probably like I'll set off an alarm. Like I could probably just light my lighter in front of the fire alarm and just makes loud noises all of a sudden, and I'm just gone. Or I can hide somewhere, and the guy's like, "Where are you?" And I'm like, "Can't hear me because the fire alarm going off, dick." I mean, my question is like, if someone breaks into your house, don't confront the robber. Hide. But hide in a clever way.
I would just, like, run away and call the police.
But here's the best part. If you hide, like, take the shower curtain, for instance. If a robber breaks into your house, hide in the shower. Because what if the robber comes into the fucking bathroom, and he pulls the shower curtain, and you go, ha! And he goes, fuck! Damn it! I knew it! One of these days someone's gonna be in there! And he flips the fuck out because he like every other human being on the earth has that natural instinct of like something's in the fucking shower, but you got the upper hand on a robber, you get to jump him, and he goes like, fuck, he freaks out, you jump him, you win, and when the cops come, you have the best story in the fucking world. When the press comes, you have the best story in the fucking world. How'd you conquer the robber? I hid in the fucking shower. And every human being on the planet goes, fucking knew someone would do that one day. I knew someone would be in the fucking shower. And they would all be on your side. They'd be like, fuck that guy, and fuck him for checking the shower, because I do the same thing, and now I can never check the shower again, because now I'm thinking someone's going to be fucking hiding behind it. And now I've just brought fear and paranoia into the hearts of Americans, and I saved my home from being robbed. And no one will ever fucking rob you again, because the first thing they're going to do is next time they rob your house, they're going to look in the fucking shower curtain, and you're not going to be hiding there next time. Oh no, you're going to be hiding in the fucking closet. And they're going to be like, oh man, I won this time. There's nobody in the shower curtain. And they fucking, after they punch a shower curtain, they turn around and you're right there.
Where your house is constantly getting robbed?
I don't know, but I'm telling you, I got plans. I don't run, I fucking scare them. Because robbers don't like to be scared. Robbers like to be the scarers. Like, they like to be the scarees. They like to be the ones that walk into, like, they have the power. If they don't have the power, they're not robbers anymore. Now they're, like, victims of you, of your haunting. Like, it's like imagine someone breaks into the guy who makes the saw contraptions. Like, do you imagine what would be like to break into that place? It would be a nightmare. Like, you break in, you're like, oh man, I'm gonna rob this guy. It's like, welcome, would you like to play a game? And he's like,
every single room is designed to kill you.
He's like, wait a second.
I don't want to play a fucking game.
He's like, wait a second. I'm the one robbing you here. And he's like, for robbing me, we're gonna play a game. I like games. We're gonna play those. Let's have some fun. He's like, no, wait.
No, I'm not okay with this.
Jenga.
Yeah, it's like that's. I want to be that kind of guy. Like, I wish I had a PA system in my house. So if someone did rob me, it's just like I hide somewhere. And I just go, welcome to my house. Would you like to play a game? And the guy's like, I'm getting the fuck out of here right now.
Like, I saw all those movies. I'm going the fuck home.
Because that's how real life works.
Yeah, because worst case scenario is the guy just starts like looking for you, but then you just keep talking to him, and he just starts getting like annoyed with you, and he's just like, where the fuck are you? And you're just like,
I'm in a fucking secret room.
Yeah, it's like, no, if I had a secret room, it would be
oh god,
my secret room would be
I'm
like
just giving him fucking ideas.
I'd have like one of those kind of like secret rooms that's all metal with the screens all over the place, but the screens would control random shit, like the lights and music in the house, like my stereo system, and I'd play like the first music I played would be like really nice orchestra music, like actually no, it'd be that one song, that really fucking creepy song, the Tiny Tim song. You know the one from the Oblivion video?
No.
I'm so happy.
That's not scary. What the fuck?
That's eerie. That's a creepy song to just play in someone's house. Suddenly you walk into a house and it's like, well, it's pitch black and you're just...
It's like something the Joker had played before he blows it up.
Yeah, pretty much. And just like, or, you know, you can play something creepy too. It's just like, I don't know, I can't even think of like a creepy music right now. I'd play like the Amnesia video game. That's probably what I'd do.
God. Because creepy music is never actually music. It's like atmospheric shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's true.
Because music can't be
No,
creepy.
the fucking that
You know what
fucking
creepy music
Twinkle Little
is?
Star
It's
shit.
campy.
There you go.
That one
the twinkle,
fucking-
the
what
Twinkle
was it?
Twinkle Little Star song from fucking Dead Space.
Oh, anytime you have like
Shut up! I hate that shit. I'm gonna hurt you. I'm gonna
Like,
hurt you.
that would make someone a little bit uneasy. And the best thing you could do is make fake rooms. Like, could you imagine someone walks in, they have a fake room, they walk into like a fake room where it'd be like a baby room, but it's not. There's not a real baby in there. It's just like a fucking like a dead-looking baby that you plant in there to make to scare somebody. And so they walk in, they're like, oh, I'm gonna steal this. I'm gonna rob this place. And they're gonna like they walk into the baby room, they're like, oh,
Have fun being alone with this person.
I'm gonna have like you know, it's like, oh, I'm gonna fucking try to, you know, hold this baby hostage and try to get some.
You know,
and they
I
walk
just
in,
decided we're not having children.
and they walk into
Never having
they
children.
walk-
'Cause
I
he's gonna-
have no need to procreate
and they
with this.
they have like they like walk into the baby room, they look and it's just like a dead baby. They're like, what the fuck is
What the
going on
fuck
in
is-
here? And because that's the first thing that's going on. Is like, what the fuck is going on in here? And they're like, what kind of sick shit is it? They walk into
And
another
then
room
and then you
and
start
it's
playing
more
the
fucking
Twinkle,
dead
Twinkle,
people.
Little
Yeah, you start
Star.
playing creepy, and then you walk out yourself, and you're covered in blood, and you go, oh, I'm sorry, I was already here first. And the first thing that goes to that guy's mind is, fuck, this guy's at a higher level than I am on the creepy scale. I'm getting the fuck out of here. And because there's nothing more scary to a robber than when they walk into a house and there's a serial killer in there. Because that's a one-up.
Trump you! I Trump
That
you!
is a trump card right
I
there.
play Blue Eyes White Dragon.
Yeah, pretty much. When a robber walks into a house and a serial killer's in there, it's like, well played, my good friend.
Exodia!
It's like, 'cause that's my strategy. My strategy is I have to play the bigger, scarier role. That's like when you go to the jungle, you have to be the bigger animal. When you're in a house that's being robbed, you have to be the scarier person. Like in that situation, what's scarier, a robber or a serial killer? That in the robber's mind, it's like this guy's
I
going
just shoot him in the face. Am I the only
with the
person?
serial killer.
No, the robber. If
Well,
someone
yeah,
broke into my house, I just shoot him in the fucking face. Like,
And what are you fucking like? You're playing with Fallout 3 VAT system? You're like you have the perfect aim. Like the guy walks in,
Well,
you're
this.
just like, boom.
Well, she's.
bitch, just actually, I have really good fucking aim. Thank you
you're-
very much,
We're talking about
asshole.
the server. We're talking about the person who thinks that she's got just the right swagger to go through all these crime-ridden areas without getting attacked, because they know that I don't want to get fucked with, like because that's how people work apparently. Is
Oh
like,
yeah. you-
What?
you
Some
said-
skinny
you
white
said
girl
you said you could
walking
walk
through crime areas.
I said no.
She's not in any
I
danger.
have never been robbed. I've never been shot at. I've never been like held up at knife point
Because
or
you were
anything
lucky.
like that.
You
Yeah,
were
it's one
lucky.
thing to say you've never been attacked by criminals and shit. It's another thing to say like, oh, it's because I grew up there
I
and
was
they
like,
know.
no,
It's
I'm
like that
just
doesn't
saying,
mean
it's
anything.
like, I don't know anyone who grew up there that's ever had that happen to them. It's always been people who have like moved
You're right.
there
You know what?
that
A lot
had
of,
that
a
happen
lot
to
of
them.
people who live in
Or
LA
people
have the
who
same
didn't
problem.
live there.
People who live there all the time never get attacked by gangs. It's just the weirdest thing. Like the gang members know. It's like, hey,
It's not
that's
like
an LA guy.
it's not like one of the people running for mayor got shot in the face or anything.
It's like you could have been in a situation where in a town that has like 3 cops on duty at one day, and like on every like shift.
And they're all in Vacaville.
They're all not in your town because they don't want to be in that town. And it's like that's like okay. Let me put it this way: if I grew up in a Richmond area, if I went into Richmond and I've been in the area, I can walk around like oh I'm used to this area. If I walk into Richmond, I will get fucking killed. It's not a matter of like me looking like oh I know Richmond.
But everyone's like freaking so scared of
Wait,
like.
you're saying your town is a camaraderie kind of thing? Like, oh, well, that's a Vallejo person. I don't want to rob them or nothing. And so I'm
No,
going to
I'm
leave
just-
them alone. 'cause
All
they're
I am
Gucci.
saying,
I
fuck
mean, it's
you.
like-
All I am saying is that I seriously, I'm not fucking scared of that town. A lot of people, it's like you say, you're
Well,
from.
congratulations! In Russian roulette, only one of the chambers has a bullet. There's still a fucking bullet.
That's it. You're getting set on fire.
I mean, you have to. You can't say with confidence that you're not going to get fucked with ever when you're walking through that town because you lived in that town. Like you can't say that because you
I'm
can,
saying I said with experience. I've never had anything bad happen to me there. That's all.
Yeah,
I'm
but that's
saying.
not what you said last time.
Yeah,
you were
no.
saying like, oh, it's just never happened. You're like saying it's because you've got some sort of
Yeah.
hidden
I was
talent
like,
for not
I said
getting
maybe.
fucked with.
I said maybe.
You didn't
I said
know,
maybe. I
don't
just give
do
off
this
the don't
bullshit.
fuck with me aura. I don't know.
Don't fuck with me, Aura.
The don't fuck. I don't know.
Just kidding.
Maybe. I don't know.
something
You
I
guys
can,
are
is that like a shirt I can buy? Don't fuck with me. like perfume. Can I spray it on myself? The aura. I can get the don't fuck with me aura line. It's just like, don't fuck with me. Can you smell that? You don't want to fuck with me. Like, what does that even mean?
I'm done with both of
God
you.
damn it.
I'm done with both of you.
Latest on the lineup from Kevin Klein or whatever the fuck.
Calvin Klein.
Calvin Klein.
Calvin Klein.
You could call the fragrance Bubble Hearth. That's so bad. I'm ashamed of no.
And you know, like